Hey guys, it's me, Eric RPG, and it's been a week, and now I'm finally back to this game. And when we last left off, we took on two bosses, one gorilla, and we fought the tank again. Now we're in this town. Makashigi Village. Alright, we already explored that house. Do you just not want to talk? Okay. Legends. Plant, huh? Big weird chicken. Is this a church? Yeah. No keys? Huh. Probably another power in that chest. Don't bother telling me a message if there's nothing there. Unless you plan on rewarding me for all the nothings I've found. Like Blue Dragon does. The Running Roach. That would make you a thief, wouldn't it? He's talking to Bonto, but he's not saying anything. Weirdness. Toilet. Nothing here, nothing here. Researcher, huh? Teaches the village children. I wonder why he stopped researching. Yay, extra monies. Youngin? Rage orbs. Okay, I'll have to remember that. Do the guitars have stuff in them? Nope, you can't check them. I have not been looking at the beds. Wait, did I check this already? Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, and that too. The little beeping you probably heard. Aha! Whoa. That's quite the mohawk. I'm not ready to go in there yet. Maybe I am. I remember going in that house. Planned? He's not planned, though. Yeah. Up, up, down, ah ha 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 ha. Can't believe they made that joke. translation team. I doubted it was in the script. Nothing! That's all you got, money? Let's go here first. Extra money. Alright. Back soon, of course, of course. Yeah. You gonna start treating me like a second-class citizen now that I'm a foreigner? Well, I don't know about strong, but definitely skilled. Of course, we're the JRPG hero. We have to be, even though we've never been in a combat situation before. Yeah. Is she gonna join us? I have a feeling she's gonna join us. I guess we gotta leave for now. So I don't know what we have to do. Go stay at the inn or go to a level. That was probably a terrible idea, but oh well. Looks like we stay at the inn. Yeah, he left. Yay, the teacher's out. Across the prairie to the north is some bizarre tower. Maybe that's what we need to go. I can't seem to go there, so I don't know what to do. I'll figure this out. That's all I have to say. Well, you know what they say in JRPGs. Talk to everybody. Maybe. Well, I wasn't expecting that. Maybe I need to go to another town. Or the church again. Yeah, let's go back to Surgical. Yeah, well, you don't need to go back there. It's almost the exact same setup. Yes. Stepping stones, dotted blocks. Okay. That's probably gonna come into play next time. I really should have at least read up on it. Even if I'm playing the game blind, I at least need to next time play with some foreknowledge. No! Actually, I'd say yes to him now. Okay, whatever. Okay. You just gotta goof around in that castle for a while. Or the other town. Sorry this is so boring, I wanted to show an action level. But I can't figure out what to do now. I love her. Chicken named Pika. Maybe I need to talk to the chicken. I'm gonna do that. I just don't know how I'm gonna get to the chicken. Oh crap. I tried looking in the well. Oh. Actually, I think I'm gonna stop here. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have looked it up first. I'll see you guys later, and I'll redo this level. And since we've learned nothing of importance, oh well, I guess you get to see a little intermezzo, so I guess I'll keep the episode. But until then, I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do next. See ya later, guys. Bye-bye.